Hey everyone! If you're the fan of character AI, you know it's super creative and fun platform. But let's be honest, it has its quirk. One of the biggest things people ask is how can I get character AI to say my name? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how, and I have got some cool tips to make it happen. First of all, let's head to character AI app, open your character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. After logging in, character AI will directly take you to the chat section, and this is how the chat section look like. Let's select one of the chat. Let's just start with Amila. Let's start with something fun. Why not get the character to guess your name? Yep, you heard it right. Let's ask them, can you guess my name? Let's see it. So this is my inbuilt character. It may know my name. Let's tap on it. This is the playful way to start a conversation, and who knows, you might get some funny and creative guesses. Let's see how the AI reacts. It says, sure, I'd love to give it a try. Could you give me any clues, any hinting about your name perhaps? So it's trying to guess my name. Further, in your case, you can give hint about your name to your AI. And second is, now what if you want to straight off tell the character your name? You can do that too. Some characters are great at remembering things, so let's test it out and see if the character actually remembers your name for the rest of the chat. Will they remember or not? Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Here's another hack. Use the character's name in your messages. For example, you could say something like, so mine is Amila. Hey Amila, what do you think about my name? By doing this, you might give the AI a hint on how to refer to you. It's like a little nudge. And hey, if you are struggling with your full name, why not try a nickname or certain person? Sometimes giving them a simpler version might make it way easier for AI to say your name. Try it out and see if it works. And there you have it, some fun and easy ways to get character AI to say your name. I want to hear from you. Did these tricks work or not? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.